How to screen record on iOS 17. Before starting everything, you have to make sure that you have updated your application or your phone to iOS 17. And to do that, you go here to your settings and then scroll just a little bit up until you see the general section here. Now tap on the general section and here you will see about in the software update. Tap on the software update here and then here you will see the iOS 17 here, and you have to make sure that you have updated now. Now if you'll see an update now, tap on that or click on that. Now if you're done updating your phone, what you can do, like similar to the old update, there are two ways how to screen record. And to do that is first is to go here to your upper portion of your phone and then scroll down to your upper right and then scroll down here, like upper part, and then scroll down here like that. So do it like this, and here you will see this icon, and all you have to do is to tap on that to start screen recording. The other way is to tap on this button here, this button. If you have this circle here, tap on that and go to control center, and it will lead you back here to your control center. And basically that is how you screen record on your iOS 17, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.